My name is Felix Intri, and today I'm going to take you through core skills. Now, in our core skills, we are going to talk about drawing today. Now, drawing it's just simple. It is representing your idea or whatever you think of on a paper. That is what we call drawing. Now, in drawing, there are some technical tools that we use in drawing. I've labeled them on the board. One of the technical tools we use in drawing is a drawing board. We also have the set square, we have the pencil, we have the ruler, and the T-square. We are going to go through them one after the other, learn what they do. So when we pick up the T-square, now this is called a T-square. Now the T-square have two parts. This part is called a stock, and this part is called a blade. Now a T-square is used for drawing horizontal line. Now this is an horizontal line. This is how a horizontal line goes. So T-squares are used in drawing horizontal line. That is what the T-square does in technical drawing. It is used in drawing horizontal line. I repeat again, used in drawing horizontal line. There are two parts of the T-square. You have the stock and the blade. Now let's move to another technical tool. This is also a set square. Now in set squares, we have two set squares. We have the 45-degree set square and we have the 30-60 degree set square. Now there is a topic that we'll be moving on to here, which is called pictorial drawing. In pictorial drawing, we are going to use this set square to draw a particular type of drawing, and we are going to use this one too to draw a particular type of drawing. When we go to pictorial drawing, now let me just chip it in. Pictorial drawing is a type of drawing where we draw objects in 3 dimensions. Okay, so when we get there, isometric drawing is a type of pictorial drawing. We'll use this to draw isometric. Then when we get to oblique too is a type of pictorial drawing, but that one we use 45-degree set square, and that isometric we use 30-60 degree set square. So 45-degree set square for oblique, 30-60 degree set square for isometric. Now somebody will ask that, so what will I use the 30-60 degree set square? We use the 30-60 degree set square in conjunction with the T-square to draw vertical lines. We use the T-square, and the set square coming together to draw vertical lines. So this line that I want to make, when the T-square is being set here, and I set my set square on it, and I rule my line, the line that I rule automatically becomes vertical, and if I rule another line, it will become parallel because the T-square will set as my example and will guide it. So let's move to another tool. Now let's move to the next. As we were talking about the drawing tools, this is the tool we are going to talk about, a protractor. Now a protractor is used in measuring angles in degrees. A protractor is used in measuring angles in degrees. Now a protractor can be used in measuring angles in clockwise and anti-clockwise ways. So if you want 45 degrees, you can find 45 degrees on your protractor, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Any degrees at which you want, you can find it on the protractor, clockwise and anti-clockwise. I say it again, a protractor is used in measuring angles in degrees. Now the next tool we are going to talk about here is the main tool itself, the drawing board. It's the main tool itself called the drawing board. Now the drawing board is serving as the surface at which you place your drawing paper on to draw. It is a smooth and a fine surface. It is there to prevent you from doing rough works, from doing dirty works, from making your paper dirty. So it serves as what we call a support, and a support is something that we draw on, but this one will support the paper at which we use. So that is what the drawing board is used for. So anytime you see something like this, we call it the drawing board. Now let's move to the next tool, and the most important tool is the pencil. I'll talk about the pencil more because the pencil is a marking tool. It marks. Now the pencil don't make lines. All the pencil does is to mark. Now when we are using the pencil, we have two types of pencil. We have hard pencils and soft pencils. Hard pencils are used for deepening. Soft pencils are used for sketch works. So when you're using the soft pencil, you don't need to hold it as hard as you want to. All you need to do is just make the mark. The other tools that I introduce you to, like the T-square, the T-square will guide the pencil so that the pencil gives you a straight line. The pencil does not need to give you a straight line. The pencil just make the mark. And the last one that I'll talk about is the eraser. The eraser is there to remake or make anything that you were not to do right and you did wrong. So the eraser help you to clean and make your work very neat. Now, as we have gone on today, to wrap up with what I have said, we have gone through what drawing is, and I said drawing is what? Representing your idea on what? A support. Drawing is what? Representing your idea on a support. And in drawing we use what? Technical tools. And we talk about what? The drawing board, we talk about the set square, we talk about the pencil, we have talked about the ruler, we have talked about what? The T-square, and we have talked about what we use all of them for. If you use the right tool for the right work, you always have accuracy, you always have a neat work, and everything will be what? Intact. Now I have some assignments for you. As you are home, I'd like you to go through this. Sit down and think, what is drawing with what I have said? What is drawing? Draw and label a T-square. As I said, you go on to say, what do we use the following tools for? Which is what? A pencil, a set square, and a T-square. So with this, I'll end my lesson here. And a little bit advice I'll give to you as you are home is, wash your hands with running water, use hand sanitizers, drink a lot of water, and obey. Be in the room as your parents say, and if we come here, we start drawing in the class, and take good care of yourself. I love you all. Bye bye.